As US President Donald Trump completed his first 100 days in office, the world closely examined the early contours of his administration's domestic and foreign policy shifts. Marked by bold executive orders, controversial immigration policies, and a focus on economic nationalism, Trump's initial days have redefined the traditional script of American governance. On the foreign front, Trump's America First rhetoric reshaped global alliances. His withdrawal from the Trans-Pacific Partnership, tough stance on China, and emphasis on bilateral trade created uncertainty but also opened doors for recalibrated international relations. India, watching keenly, recognized both opportunities and challenges in Trump's evolving global vision. For New Delhi, Trump's assertive approach to counter-terrorism and his administration's willingness to identify Pakistan-based terror groups as global threats was a diplomatic win. Furthermore, the US continued strategic engagement with India, including defense cooperation and Indo-Pacific security dialogue, underscored the importance of India in Washington's long-term regional calculations. However, concerns surfaced over Trump's tightening of H-1B visa norms, a move that could directly impact India's $150 billion IT services sector and thousands of Indian tech professionals. The uncertainty surrounding trade policies and America's inward economic turn also posed questions for India's export-driven businesses. In sum, Trump's first 100 days brought seismic changes to Washington's playbook. For India, the period highlighted the need for nuanced diplomacy, balancing shared security interests with economic pragmatism in a rapidly shifting geopolitical landscape. While Trump's populist policies introduced uncertainty, they also opened avenues for India to assert its role as a regional power and a key US partner in Asia.